Hello and welcome. This is Akaki and these are my 3D printed puzzles. I'm going to be solving Cuttle Burr by Andrey Ustjuzhanin. We've got 5 pieces. They go into the cuttle. What's a cuttle anyway? They go into this frame and you get a box just like all these ones here that I've already solved. Let's do it. So we have all of the pieces are 4 long. So all of them will have at least 2 faces that are on the outside. These 2 ends and these 2 ends and these 2 ends, they will all be facing the outside of the final box cube. Oh, we got 2 symmetrical pieces, looks like. There's no way to mesh them in an interesting way, I guess. Alright, this one is interesting. It's got a flat piece, flat spot. It's not going to be on the outside though. I don't think it fits any of the outside faces. In fact, out of all of these, the large faces, this is probably the only one that's going to fit the outside. In a way like this. Nope, that's not it. It can fit here, but no, that's isolating, so no. It could fit here, I guess, but no, it's coming out of the cube, so that's not good. I don't know, my intuition is to get this flat face here on the outside by the help of one of these notches. Maybe here? No, I tried that already. What am I doing? Not sure if it is possible in the end. That would work. Something like this. Instead of just sticking it through the middle, because I think the middle will be very crowded. All of these longish pieces will want to go through the middle in one of the axes. So having this face on the outside could be valuable. Oh, we can even fit this face here. In fact, I bet this is it. Nope, no. See, let me tell you again. This box here, this void is now isolated. There's no way to access it, so none of these blocks can now fill this up. So that's not correct. Again, the frame is not exactly the same as before. We got this, looks like an L, and I think it is symmetrical, not to that axis, but perhaps through this axis? No, that's a J. Oh no. Oh no, is there a symmetry axis somewhere? Well, it's mirrored in some strange way. That I like. I like how it's filling up this place and here. And remember, these 2 pieces were symmetrical, so what if this goes there? What if it's these 2 brothers are just like that? They're filling the same sort of gap on the opposite sides of this somehow symmetrical shape. Or is that just a mislead? That could be it. That could be it. And now this. I was gonna say this would fit here perfectly, but it's gonna collide. No, it's not. It's gonna work. Yes. That was just calling to me the opening there and this shape. That's perfect. And now this fellow only has one place to go to, I think. No, it's just two options, but I think it will want to go here. What I mean to say is it won't fit in this plane or this plane anymore because there's only two height here, and if you look inside, the bottom layer of this house here is already too crowded, so I think this will live on the top layer of these 2 remaining layers, and I also think that it's gonna be filling in this corner here, so it's like that. How to get it in though? Could be there. Oh yes, look at this. Oh, and I've solved it, see? I just need to remove this just for a while. I guess go with this first, then this guy, and oh, get out of the way a little bit. There we are, there we are. Cuttle Burr! That was really cool. It looked very complicated at first, but these, let me take one of them out here, see? This piece was symmetrical to this piece here, and also the frame had some strange mirror symmetry. And that actually became a large hint, didn't it? It turned out that these pieces fit those notches on the frames perfectly. That was really cool. And my settings for the print were very cool as well. It's quite solid right now, but it wasn't too tight. So whatever the settings I had on this cube, I think I will apply it to all the files that I upload for the rest of the series. Here they all are. So this has been... Wait, where is it now? This has been Cuttle Burr. Really cool puzzle with a surprising hint if you're paying attention. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.